Hi everyone. So we will solve the SQL question from today's exam. It will give you a very good idea like what kind of questions Accenture is asking. For your surety, you can see here is a screenshot of today's question. I cannot show it much, okay, but I have just shown you. It was the exact question which got asked in today's exam. If you have not seen it, see it again. This one, okay. So we will be solving this question only in this video, which was asked in today's slot in Accenture, and I will be explaining you how to solve this question. Apart from this, today's exam, each and every question we have already updated in our mock test series. You will be getting here, like we have already updated Accenture 20 December tech assessment. Also, already we have provided the solutions of the previous assessment, and the same questions are repeating, exact same questions are repeating. Students are cracking this very easily, okay. And today's coding questions also we have already included in coding set this year. So okay, so coding set we have already included, and today's tech assessment questions also we have included already. The questions and answer we have already provided, these are the similar ones only, okay. So let's start. First of all, in SQL query, they have asked a question. We have given some tables like this. Okay, what we need to print is, I will just tell you. So we have given total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 tables. Okay, 7 tables are there. Okay, we need, they in the query they asked only 3 things. We need to print the instructor name like first name and last name. Also, we need to print course start time. Okay, only these 3 things we need to print, and this kind of 7 tables they have provided us. Okay, so where are the 7 tables? Okay, I have not listed all the names of the columns. First table is registration. There are some columns in this registration table. Then the registration table is connected with primary and foreign key using student. Okay, so some columns are here in the student table. Then in the section there are some columns. Then in the course there are some columns. Then in the schedule there are some columns. In the instructor there are some columns, and then in the department there are some columns. There is also one table called uh, yeah, so these are the all tables. Okay, now they have asked about the instructor first name, last name, and the course start time. Okay, so we can ignore all the tables. We will just find out first the instructor. So in the instructor table we have given instructor ID, instructor first name, and instructor last name. There are other columns are also given here. Okay, also we need to print the start time. So first of all, from this table easily we can print the first name and last name. So we can say like select first name, okay, comma last name from our table called instructor. Okay, now we already print like first name and last name. Now we also need to print the start time. Now see here, this is the schedule. In this schedule table we have the start time, but they both are not like connected directly. Okay, if you can see here, the common connection is with the section table. So this instructor table is connected with the section table, and the section table is connected with the schedule table. So they both are joined right from the instructor ID. Okay, so we can say here from instructor comma schedule comma section, section comma schedule. Okay, from instructor comma schedule comma section, where instructor dot id equals to section dot instructor id. Okay, because both have this same call like same foreign and primary key for the connection. And now we will connect the section table with this table, which is schedule table, because this is the only common link. And section dot schedule id is equals to then schedule dot id. Okay, so we have connected the these 3 tables using the foreign key and primary keys. Now we have the condition, we need to print the start time whose the start time is greater than 10. Okay, the start time should be greater than 10. So we will print again where start time is greater than 10. Okay, simple. And in the select thing, we will also put here start time. Simple. So just we need to connect like three tables. The condition was given that the start time should be greater than 10. Okay, and we need to print the first name, last name, and the start time. We just connected using the primary key and foreign key. We put out the condition and we put the query like this. Okay, I think this was the query only for today's exam. Okay, I hope you got it. Also, all the questions of today's exam we have already updated in the mock test. The technical assessment questions are already repeating. You can easily do it. Okay, everything we have provided, and for the gamified also we have provided everything for your preparation. So you will be getting this at very low price, only in 150 rupees. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching.